Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Valentine's Day tutorial for you. So most of our items here, you can find them at the Dollar Tree. So we have all our chocolates here that we'll be using. And we have our boxed candies. We have our ring pops and the airheads. And here we have our barbecue skewers. You're gonna need tape, floral foam, scissors, knife, but most of all, glue gun. With the floral foam, you're going to be adding the candies around it. So you're gonna make like a little box. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. So you have that all in the right place, then we're gonna hot glue it. And we're just going to add the glue gun to the end like this, just a little bit. And then we're going to add on the box like this. We're trying to get a square look, okay? So we're gonna put this in the middle. And if it's easier for you, you can actually just glue this directly on the box like that. Put the glue directly on the box, and then you can just add it onto your floral foam like this. You don't have to use a glue gun. You can use your two-way tape if you have it, and just stick it on. Now we have the floral foam in here because we're going to be adding our chocolates and any other embellishments that we decide to put inside this Valentine's Day treat centerpiece. So here we have it. Looks just like this. So we added the floral foam inside, and this is where we'll be sticking our chocolates inside, okay? And any embellishment that you want to add to it. So we're gonna cut off the existing foam that's sticking out here until it look like that. So we have our tool. There's a lot of sparkle on it, a lot of glitter. All I did to create this design is this you can purchase at Walmart, Michael's, any of those crafty stores. And if you're on a budget, you can always use Famous stuffer, right? So we use for presents. And you can just gather that up and add it in, okay? But for now, we're gonna be using this, the tool. And all I did, I just cut it, as you can see. Gather it up like this. And then I gather it again like this. And add it on our barbecue skewer. I get the tape. Wrap the tape around the end like this. Voila. So this is a bit smaller than this one. Break it off like this. So what you do now, we're gonna add it inside of our floral foam. And if you have jagged scissors with the jagged edge, you can always use that. So here we go. This is the fun part. I'm gonna use out of all these packs, I'm just gonna use 3 chocolates each. And we're just going to add our skewer. I have 2 kinds of barbecue skewers here. One with a flat end and then just a regular one here. So I like the flat end one. And if you live in Canada, I got this at Dollarama. Okay, so we're gonna add a different color. Spring pop. Now this is a fun activity you can do with your kids, but I suggest if you're gonna do this with your kids and you're gonna add these treats, I suggest that you glue it on prior to making the box with your kids, just so that they don't get burned, okay? So there you have it. We're gonna just add the candy to it. You can even go as far as adding, you can add a teddy bear in the middle. You can also add balloon. So the balloon is also from the Dollar Tree. The teddy bear was from Walmart. You can add your forehead here. And just be creative, it's your own. You know what the person likes that you're making it for. So just add what they like. And if it's a customized order, they'll give you what their suggestion on what they like. This is what we came up with. And you can also add, I also got this from the Dollar Tree, chocolate hearts. So again, I would use 2 of these. I would add 2 because it'll make it a lot stronger. When adding it to your arrangement, I'm gonna add a little bit more tulle. You can do it this way also. Want it to be more full. Like a flower design. Add it to the end of your barbecue skewer. You have your tape. And then you have your chocolate. You can just add that over there onto the side. I don't really like the space that's left out, so I would probably add more. So I'll show you what it looks like with the tissue paper. You can add the tissue paper on the end like this inside. If you want to, because you have to cover the green foam. Okay, so this is also the tissue paper that I was showing you guys. We're just going to cut it in half. And we're just going to squish it together. Add the long barbecue skewer. And of course, I lost the end of the tape. So we found the end of the tape. So now we're just going to wrap it around the barbecue skewer like this. And then we're just going to add it. We're gonna break it. Or just use scissors. And we're just gonna stick it in like this. You could just do that going right around just to fill up the empty gaps. We're just gonna stick it at the very back here. You don't want to overcrowd it. Make sure all the candy is facing to the front so you won't really see any of the sticks. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. and click that notification button to know next time when we post a video. And please, Royals, get our videos up, motivate me to do more. Let me know at the bottom in the comments what videos you want for me to do for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.